This is the elevator at the UT Austin Biomedical Engineering Building, and these are Tejas.
There's only one of them turned on?
No. It's this one.
One is the modular.
Yes.
What are these, traction?
Yes.
Oh, that looks so nice.
Yes.
I like the light.
Let's go to 6.
These were Dover originally, right?
No, actually these used to be Montgomery.
This is the motor.
Yes.
Look at that. 1, 3, and 6 lit up.
Let's go to 1.
Is that the tunnel level?
That's the highest floor here.
I like that light. This is nice.
Mm-hmm.
Got your bruiser fixtures.
Huh.
And there's Captain Elevator watching the numbers go by.
Right.
Look at that.
Confused.
Hi.
Hi there.
Now, where are we going to end?
Right here. There it goes. The service elevator at the UT Austin Biomedical Science Building infill wing. And here it is.
Wow, look how big it is. It's hydraulic traction. Bottom drive traction.
That's right.
This is a bottom drive traction.
Yes.
Can you watch it open all the way? Sounds like it's got some relays involved in it.
Yes. Enter.
It's nice.
All right.
Gonna go up to 7.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wrong one. It just re-leveled.
Huh. Rare for traction. Five spurned out.
7.
What's on 1?
It's very quiet here because all these pads are on.
Yes.
Look at that light. I like that light.
Indeed.
Press the... Never mind. Watch out for the emergency button. It's in a bad place.
Yes.
This is a nice elevator.
Except for the padding.
The padding makes it nice and quiet.
Yes.
We have a Captain Elevator 42189.
That's right.
DieselDucy! There are 1. And the door will open.
All right.
It's a nice elevator.
Mm-hmm.
It's tall too.
Yes.
There it goes. And listen to that. Here you got some relay action.
Sweet.
That's it.